let him hold that. Thomas, let him hold that. Wow, look at that. Let's see, we're making a gloss.
Do you want to do the chicken dance? Okay, ready, here we go. But we're starting kind of slow.
Will the truck fit? Let's make sure it fits. Perfect.
This will be a lot of fun, but it's only
That's it.
begun.
That's it. That's good. We just have to put one right here. That's it. Oh, no, here, right there. You got it. Wait, let's the other way. Try the other way.
Hey, do you want to do the chicken dance? Okay, ready, here we go. But we're starting kind of slow.
How do we do this? Here.
This will be a lot of fun, but it's only just begun. Now we're getting to the middle and we're speeding up a little bit.
We are good. Now, I don't know, is the car going to fit in? The truck will fit in? Yeah, look.
Hey, do you want to do the
just
chicken
fits.
dance? Okay, ready, here we go.
Okay, let's build up the tower that we can floor.
This will be a lot of fun, but it's only just begun. Now we're getting to the middle and we're speeding up a little bit.
Arms are so cute.
Hey, do you want to do the chicken dance? Okay, ready.
Let's make this a little. Okay, ready? Here we go. Now it's a little bigger. Much better.
Now we're getting to the middle and we're speeding up a little bit.
Oh.
Here, Liam. Liam.
Hey, do you want to do the chicken dance? Okay, ready, here we go.
That's the idea.
There we go. Let's make it high. How high can we go? Now remember before we had a little roof on it. That's it.